need to be touched. I need to be held. I need to stroke hair, rub shoulders, brush up against someone. I need to feel fingers on my face and share a loving, long embrace. I need to be touched. I need to be known by somebody else, to be invited to go somewhere that isn't here. I need to be back on the stage where I can send out all this rage. I need to be known. Some days I feel free, and some days I feel listless. Some days I find resolve, and some days I ask, what's the point? I wanna feel joy, I want to laugh. That heaving, I can't breathe kind of laughter. Oh yeah, that's what I want. I wanna dress up for someone and feel that life has just begun. I wanna feel joy. I need to feel hope. I need to see light. Right now, everything is in the present. I can't plan for anything. I need this to end so I can see my future once again, and all will be well until the next